Are you looking to save on your energy costs with the spray foam insulation kit? Look no further than Energy Efficient Solutions. We have been providing services to homeowners and contractors since 2003. We offer a wide variety of energy-efficient products, including our spray foam kits, radiant barriers, solar attic fans, and foam sealants. Our featured 605 quick-curing closed-cell spray foam insulation kit is designed to seal and insulate large surfaces and voids while helping to reduce drafts, improve air quality, lower heating and cooling costs, and make your home more comfortable overall. If you have any questions, our talented staff consists of building science professionals who can offer valuable knowledge on proper weatherization products for your design applications and help you with the correct solutions to your energy needs. To order your spray foam insulation kit, visit energyefficientsolutions.com or call 972-499-4550.